kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Welcome to the second part of our video lesson on meal planning. At the end of this part, you will be able to apply what you have learned about meal planning by answering questions and performing activities that test your understanding. Are you ready? Now that we've learned the importance of meal planning for the family, it's time to put our knowledge into action. Are you ready for some exciting activities and fun questions? Let's see how well you can plan healthy, delicious, and budget-friendly meals for your family. Get your paper and pen ready. Let's start learning while having fun. Identify the factors in meal planning being described. You may also write your answers in your notebook. Here are your choices. This factor refers to the skills, time, and knowledge of the homemaker, as well as the money and equipment used in meal preparation. Each family's available resources. It aims to make food economical, nutritious, and satisfying for all family members. Goals in meal planning. This factor involves what the family believes in and what they value most, such as health or saving money. Its family values. When planning meals, it's important to think about whether the family has enough money, time, and energy to prepare the food. Economic considerations. Meals must meet the nutritional needs of each family member. Nutritional adequacy. Children, adults, and elderly people have different food requirements depending on this factor. Age. This factor states that males usually need more food and energy than females. Gender. The kind of work a person does affects the amount and kind of food needed daily. Physical activity. Families with limited income must carefully plan meals to fit their food budget. Economic considerations. Foods that are cheaper, tastier, and fresher at certain times of the year are affected by this factor. Seasonal availability. The food served should consider what each family member likes or dislikes to avoid waste or allergic reactions. Likes and dislikes of family members. This factor deals with how much time, money, and equipment are available in the household. Families' available resources. Families who value togetherness and health usually prepare balanced and shared meals because of this factor. Family values. The homemaker should include foods from the three basic food groups to meet this factor. Nutritional adequacy. Read and understand each items, then choose the correct answer. You may also write your answer in your notebook. What is the first step in meal preparation? A. Cooking. B. Meal planning. C. Shopping. D. Serving. It's meal planning. B. Why is it important to plan meals ahead of time? A. To waste food. B. To eat randomly. C. To reduce waste and ensure proper nutrition. D. To make cooking harder. It's letter C. To reduce waste and ensure proper nutrition. A well-planned menu helps the family to A. Skip meals. B. Eat separately. C. Spend more money. D. Eat together and enjoy meals. The answer is eat together and enjoy meals. D. What are human resources in meal planning? A. Ingredients. B. Kitchen utensils. C. Money and equipment. D. Skills, time, and energy of the homemaker. The answer is skills, time, and energy of the homemaker. D. Which of the following is a non-human resource? A. Energy. B. Money. C. Skills. D. Knowledge. It's letter B. Money. One goal of meal planning is to A. Waste food. B. Make meals boring. C. Ignore food preferences. D. Ensure adequate nutrition for the family. It's letter D. Ensure adequate nutrition for the family. The values of the family affect A. Their neighbors. B. How much they sleep. C. What foods they eat and buy. D. How many rooms they have. It's C. What foods they eat and buy. A family that values health will likely spend more on A. Junk foods. B. Fast foods. C. Sugary snacks. D. Healthy and nutritious foods. It's D. Healthy and nutritious foods. What should be included in every meal to ensure nutritional adequacy? A. Processed foods. B. Three basic food groups. C. Only rice and meat. D. Fried foods. It's B. Three basic food groups. Which government agency provides the nutritional guidelines and food pyramid? A. Food and Nutrition Research Institute. B. Department of Education. C. Department of Agriculture. D. Department of Health. It's A. Food and Nutrition Research Institute. One of the main benefits of meal planning is that it helps A. Waste money. B. Buy unnecessary food. C. Spend more time thinking. D. Save time, money, and energy. It's D. Save time, money, and energy. Which of the following is not a benefit of meal planning? A. Saving money. B. Wasting ingredients. C. Avoiding food spoilage. D. Eating nutritious meals. It's B. Wasting ingredients. Which benefit of meal planning helps avoid stress for the homemaker? A. It saves time and effort. B. It increases workload. C. It causes confusion. D. It wastes money. It's A. It saves time and effort. Planning meals that include everyone's likes and dislikes helps avoid A. Happiness. B. Allergic reactions and food waste. C. Togetherness. D. Cooking properly. The answer is allergic reactions and food waste. B. Identify whether the statement is true or false. You may also write your answer in your notebook. Here are the items from 1 to 10. Let's check your answers. 1. Meal planning is not necessary if you have a lot of food at home. False. 2. Meal planning helps the family save time, money, and energy. True. 3. Eating together as a family helps strengthen relationships. True. 4. A well-planned meal can include unhealthy junk foods. False. 5. Planning meals help prevent food spoilage and waste. True. 6. Considering the family's likes and dislikes helps make meals more enjoyable. True. 7. Meal planning is important only for big families. False. 8. A homemaker who plans meals wisely can prepare healthy food even on a small budget. True. 9. Good meal planning promotes good eating habits among children. True. And number 10, one benefit of meal planning is reducing the stress of deciding what to cook every day. True.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.